This is the quickest and the easiest way to turn any old car sound system into a smart system by integrating it with your smartphone. If you have a car that's around 2010 or 2010 or before, it does not have Bluetooth capability. So all you get is CD, FM, and AM, maybe XM radio, such as this. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily add Bluetooth capability to any older car's factory system. So that way you can easily integrate all your latest technology from your new smartphone through your outdated car sound system. Okay, this is the quickest and easiest way to update and upgrade your older car sound system. Connect my device to the car and you'll be able to add Bluetooth capability to number 1, stream music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, add GPS navigation functionality, all from my device through your older car sound system. Let me show you how. Set your car radio to 87.9. That's it. That's all you have to do. The device looks like this with the power USB on one end. All we got to do is plug in this part into the car and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
See? That's it. Now you're able to enjoy all your music from your smartphone right through this older car sound system. It will be loud and clear without hissing or any static. Not only that, you'll be able to talk hands-free, so whenever a phone call comes in, simply press this button and you will be able to converse and talk. You'll be able to hear all your conversation through your car sound system, through your car speakers, loud and clear without hissing or static. When you're done with the conversation, just hit this button again and the music will resume. Not only that, you can totally integrate your latest technology from your smartphone, such as your GPS navigation function, right through your older car system. All you got to do is fire up Waze, tell Waze where you want to go, and you will be able to hear all your GPS directions coming through your car speakers loud and clear. You'll get real-time update of the GPS information right from your phone through your car system, your car sound system, or car radio system or stereo system, loud and clear. So your car will feel like a new car again. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can integrate your new smartphone to your older car sound system and add Bluetooth capability and talk hands-free as well as GPS navigation right from your phone through your older car sound system. Okay? You get my gadget from Wesley. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadget for info.